slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up, guys? RV back here once again, and today we're gonna be taking a look at these fire red Jordan 3s. These are from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see in the video, show some love, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, all that, and follow me on Instagram at RVStuffTV. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. These took about a week and a half, 2 weeks to get here. Double box, bubble wrapped as per usual with YesKicks. No issues there. I don't condone buying any of this stuff, just a little disclosure before I get into everything. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. This is just for educational purposes to show you what you would get if you paid for these, like myself. So that's pretty much it for that. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So here is website information, YesKicks.cn, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RVStuff on your first purchase, you can save yourself $15 site-wide, so keep that in mind and take advantage of that if you please. That's pretty much it for that. And for the shoes themselves, we'll put it to the side. Here is the box they came in, you know, usual. And size tag, fire red, black, Jordan 3 retro. You got the suggested retail price, blah blah blah. These are size 13. Inside the box, nothing crazy, just get this paperwork, and yeah, that's basically it. It seems paperwork, paper, and that's it. That's all she wrote. So box is side, and here are the shoes themselves. Or actually, I'll show you the left shoe first because it has a tag on it. So here's this. So they're looking proper, looking nice. Materials are all nice on them. You already know. Everything's looking A1. So I haven't really personally found any flaws. Just, you know, doing a quick look over on these shoes. I don't know the release calendar stuff. Like, I don't know if these are out already, if they should already be out. Whatever. So basically, you guys let me know all that. But yeah, not a whole lot to talk about these shoes. Clean pair of shoes. Quality seems to be on point with them as well. So, you know, nothing crazy there. There's what the bottom of the shoe looks like. Nice and clean. There's actually surprisingly no paint bleed at all through any of the sections, which is nice. Leather feels good. Materials feel premium, all that, you know. Leather's all buttery up on here. Toe box, all that, you already know. Jumpman looking A1. Yes sir, no butt crack on that boy. And yeah, you got this little Nike Air tag, not the plastic, nothing crazy. Inside the shoes, that's what that looks like. Size tag here under the tongue, size 13. Just comes with one set of laces, just the white, which I think is more than good enough. I don't really know what other laces you'd want to run on these, but yeah, that's basically it. Back of the shoe, you got the Nike Air on there, real old school OG. Looks clean. That's pretty much it for these. I mean, there's not really a whole lot to talk about with a shoe like this. It's nice and simple. You know, I'm keeping the reviews short, sweet, to the point. Quality seems to be good. I've been messing with YesKicks for a long time now, so very seldom have I really been displeased about something with their quality, honestly. Everything else is pretty on point, so you can tell this is the right shoe. Same thing. Nike on the bottom, blah blah blah. Y'all already know what's popping. Nike on the back with the elephant print, which again, done well. Size tag on this shoe, inside, you already know, looks good, looks good. Got the shoe tree in there. No stitch errors to be found as well, so that makes me happy. And yeah, man, overall clean, no issues, you know, just another pair of kicks for my people over at YesKicks. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel and you did like the video, show some love. Stay tuned for more. I'm trying to pump the videos out as products come, so that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.